Hello my YouTube friends. This video is one of the 3 videos about our stay in one of the all-inclusive Mexican resorts. My first video will be about the food. Food is very good here, but I would like to concentrate only on seafood offerings they have at this resort. And I also invite you to watch my next videos. The second video will be about water features of this resort, and they are very nice. And the last video will be about plants and flowers that are most common for all Mexican resorts. And now let's fly the drone to see the resort from the above. This is our buffet, and sometimes we have breakfast or lunch or dinner here. I am at the buffet for breakfast. Let's see what they have in terms of the seafood. I am going to have avocado sandwich with salmon. This is my sandwich. They edit figs as well. Let's see what our buffet has for lunch today. What seafood it has. Okay, today at this station they have fish, ceviche. They have scallops and shrimp. They have mixed cocktail. They also have the scallops in a section. But my favorite for lunch is these big fish. Fish with spicy sauce. Fish with parsley sauce. Here they have mussels with tomato and garlic sauce. They also have calamari. Another of my favorite, octopus with sauce. And finally rice with variety of seafood. At this station they have a mixture of shrimp and calamari in a sauce and some kind of fish. At this station they have mussels in marinara sauce. At this station you can choose fish and they will fry it for you. Like that.
Appeal, red fish.
Okay. Maki like there. At this station they do bowls like this. These are the ingredients for these bowls. Tuna, Okay, this is outside restaurant called ceviche, and they have 3 types of ceviche for lunch. One with the fish, and what kind of fish? Sea bass. Another ceviche with octopus,
Scallops,
and this is
shrimp, calamari, and fish.
shrimp, calamari, and fish. Looks very yummy. And we are for a light lunch before the real lunch, and we are doing creepers or crepes with salmon. At this resort, they love to pair the fish with guacamole. We are at the restaurant called Villa, and we are going to have our seafood lunch. This is my seafood appetizer, tuna crackers. Let me try them and I will tell you my opinion on this appetizer. I tried one cracker and it's absolutely delicious. The tuna is so good, and guacamole adds additional flavor and taste. I'm going to completely enjoy this appetizer. And this is my main dish, sea bass with chimichurri sauce. Tried a little bit and I really like with chimichurri sauce. It's amazing taste. I am half full of my main dish and I enjoying it. The fish with chimichurri sauce is just so wonderful. And on another day we came for dinner to the Loft restaurant. And for my main dish I had this dish with, as they call it, American crab, but these are scallops. Let me try it. I tried, it's a little bit too fishy, the sauce. But I'm still going to eat it. It's not like delicious, but pretty tasty. And scallops themselves are very juicy and tender. Today we have dinner at Sour Cat restaurant. Let's see what seafood offers they have here. These are the choices, and since last time I tried tuna sashimi, this time I will try dragon roll as my appetizer. And my husband, for his appetizer, will have spicy salmon roll. And for my main dish, I will use shrimp pad thai. So all my dinner will be shrimp. But that's okay. These are our appetizers. This is my main dish. We are at the restaurant called Grill Siglu for our dinner. We already had a few dinners here. For my appetizer, I have a shrimp salad, shrimp, fresh greens, lettuce, and oranges, and they are cooking my octopus for my main dish. And this is my main dish, octopus. If you undercook octopus or overcook, it becomes very chewy. Let me try how they cook mine. I tried my octopus and it's delicious.